Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up PayPal on your phone. First, head to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and download the official PayPal application. Once installed, open the app and you'll see an option to sign up. Tap that to start creating your new account. You'll be prompted to enter your mobile phone number, which PayPal uses for verification and security. Next, you'll need to input your personal details. This includes your full legal name, a valid email address, and a strong, unique password. Make sure to read and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement before proceeding. After entering your information, PayPal will send a 6-digit verification code to the phone number you provided. Enter this code into the app to confirm your identity and secure your account. With your account verified, the next crucial step is linking a payment method. You have the option to connect either a bank account or a debit or credit card. If linking a bank account, you might be able to log in directly through your bank's portal or manually enter your account and routing numbers. For a card, simply input the 16-digit card number, its expiration date, and the 3-digit security code found on the back. Finally, review your linked payment method and ensure all your profile settings are accurate. Once confirmed, your PayPal account is fully set up and ready to use. You can now explore various features, such as sending money to friends and family, requesting payments, or making secure online purchases. For enhanced security, I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication within your settings, adding an extra layer of protection to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.